I'm Renee. Welcome to my channel on YouTube, Kudo's Kitchen. What we're going to be making today are these yummy zucchini and carrot pancakes. And they're very good and they're very easy to make. But what's not so easy to make, apparently, are videos. The weirdest thing happened to me while I was making this video. I had my microphone on. I was doing all the, good old talking points. I was giving really good information. But I didn't even realize half the time my microphone was not working. So sorry, guys. What happens when you're trying to do all the things by yourself. So that did not happen. What I'm going to do is I'm still going to go ahead and complete the video, edit it out, and then I'll do the talk over portion where the microphone decided not to work. So yeah, but these are really tasty. You're going to like them, so I hope you decide to make them. They are zucchini and carrot pancakes. Yum. Okay, first you'll need to grate the zucchini, approximately 1.5 cups. Allow it to sit for about 15 minutes before squeezing out as much water as possible. Next up, you need to grate about 1 cup of shredded carrot. Now you mix the squeezed zucchini and the shredded carrots together in a large bowl. Chop about 1/2 cup of scallions, both the white and the green parts, and toss them into the bowl with the carrots and zucchini. Now it's time to stir in salt, pepper, and 2 eggs until it's all well combined. When all that is thoroughly mixed, it's time to add flour, baking powder, a pinch more salt, dried oregano, and about 1 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. It's now time to heat avocado oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Carefully spoon about 1/4 cup of the vegetable pancake batter per pancake into the skillet, cooking them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until crispy and golden. After the first batch of pancakes are finished cooking, move them to a baking sheet fitted with a rack and keep them warm in a low oven. Continue the same process with the remaining batter, and once they're finished, sprinkle each with a tiny touch of salt before serving. These yummy fritters can also be served as appetizers by making them in a smaller size, if desired. If you like this video, with my flaws and all, consider liking and subscribing, and yeah, leave a comment if you so choose. That'd be awesome. We really enjoy making videos for you, even though we're not the best at it. So, I hope you have a delicious day.